Now we're going to look at areas. So this is how I want you to think, okay? So this is 2 meters and this is 3 meters. So the area A is width times length. You can call it width times height, length times height, yeah? And what I'm saying this time, I'm going to call this L and I'm going to call this W. To be honest with you, it doesn't matter which way around. Right, so I'm going to do 2 times 3 and the answer is 6. And area is measured in squares. Watch what I'm going to do. Can you see this 2 here? I'm going to split this into 2. So can you see I've got 1 there and I've got 1 here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split, right, let's keep this same color actually. I'm going to split this side here into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. So there and there. Let's pretend all, let me get this. Let's pretend all these are squares. 1 by 1, yeah? So that's 1 length, that's 1 length, that's 1 length. Altogether I've got 6 squares. That's why I have 6 square meters, or 6 meters squared. Now what did we say, can you remember, about triangles? So this is 2 meters and that is 3 meters. Still a right angle triangle. So let's do the formula. Right, okay. So what we're going to say is the area for this, area A, is the base times the height, all divided by 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this the base. I'm going to call this the height. So 3 times 2 divided by 2 equals 6 divided by 2, which equals 3 meters squared. And how does that work? Can you remember? Can you remember that? Right, so I want you to make a note of these. This is the formula. It's very important you learn that and you write it down every time and you learn this. So these two are important. It'll help your maths develop a lot. Right. I'm going to do one more thing with this. Right, what we're going to do is work out the area for trapezium. So we're going to work out the area of a trapezium. Remember what we said a trapezium is. It's only got one pair of parallel lines. There and there. There and there. Right, these two lines are parallel. They never ever meet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this 4 meters long, this length here. And this I'm going to call 6 meters long. And the height I'm going to call 5 meters long. So I want to work this area out. Right. The example that they gave us, we cut this shape into 2 pieces. We made it into a compound shape. Then we decided to work out the area. Whoa. This area. Yeah. So we worked out the area of the square. So the area is width times length, 5 times 6, and that's 30 square meters or meters squared. Now what I want to do is work out how are we going to do this? I know what we can do. We can reduce it down to there. There you go. Right. Now, if you look at this bit, the yellow line, that is 4 meters. Why? Because this here is 4 meters. And all together, the full length from here all the way across is 6. And okay, let me do it in black. If this is 4 meters, this bit here, what color can we do? Okay, we'll do it blue. This bit here must be 2 meters. And we know the height here is 5, so this height must also be 5. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw that over here just to help me. The height is 5 meters and the base is 2 meters. And what did we say the area is? Area is base times height divided by 2. This is the base because the triangle is sat on it. This is the height because this is how tall it is. So all I'm going to do is this B, I'm going to replace it with 2, and this H, I'm going to replace it with 5. 2 times 5 divided by 2, which equals 10 over 2, which equals 5 square meters. There you go. Right, now, what is the total area? So I need to add this and this. That is 30 plus 5 equals 35 square meters. Oh, no, what I'm going to do, that looks messy. So what I'll do is, get rid of that. So we'll do, hello, 30 plus 5 equals 30 square meters. That's one way of doing a trapezium. I'll discuss that with you next time. What I'm going to do now is leave you with 3 questions. If you can try those. Yeah, show the full working out. 2 meters, 10 meters. I want you to work out the area. I've got another one. I have a triangle. 2 meters, 10 meters. What is the area? And you have a trapezium. That's 3 meters. That is 10 meters. This is 5 meters. And what is the area? So you need to split this up into 2 parts. You tell me how you think you're gonna do it. I'll give you a little hint. Dot 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 dot. That is 3 meters, and therefore this will be 7 meters because altogether it is 10 meters. That's my hint. Right, okay, you can do those. Jazakallah khair.